Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? Well, I'm here. I've quilted my little quilt sandwich. It sat there for a couple of days, and I thought, before that basting spray gives out, I need to get that stuff quilted. And I quilted one direction yesterday, and I quilted the other direction today. And on the back, I haven't even like trimmed this yet. But I wanted to show you this. Look at the way the quilting is on the back, man. It is so cute. It is so cute. And it feels almost like in here, kind of puffy. I really like that. So I might actually try that again on something if I use any kind of thing that's almost like a strip or something. But I really like it. Let me know what you think. Now, I am not going to make the binding out of this because I simply just do not want to put the side of this fabric anywhere near my iron. So I've only been pressing from the other side, which is solid red, and to make your binding, I couldn't do that. So I guess I'm going to do white unless I have a golden yellow or something, which I may have. I'll have to look and see if I have enough that would actually, yeah, if I have it, I have enough to be a binding. But yeah, I may try to find like a Chief's yellow or something and do a binding or something on here. But that's the status of it this far. I guess maybe this afternoon or something I may get my scissors out and carefully trim, away the excess batting and backing. I cut this one pretty close on one side. Whoa, I almost knocked y'all over. I thought I had it more centered than I did, but hey, at least it's all on there all the way around. But that's going to be it for today, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.